Safety is the number one priority here at Winsight Development. We want you to come to work, perform your work, and go home safely at the end of each day. Today, you'll be receiving PPE or personal protective equipment, including a hard hat, vest, and safety glasses. It's important to wear this equipment at all times when on site to ensure your safety and the safety of those around you. In this training, we'll cover confined space safety, trenching and excavation, and working around heavy equipment. Confined space safety. Safety in confined spaces is crucial here at Winsight Development. We follow strict rules to keep our workers safe in these tight areas. Confined spaces are big enough for a person to work in, have limited ways to get in or out, and may have dangers. We follow OSHA rules for confined spaces. All workers going into these spaces must learn about the hazards, safe practices, and how to use monitoring equipment. Good communication and checking the air are important for staying safe in confined spaces. We also use safety procedures like removing hazards, testing the air, and wearing PPE to lower risks. We work together with contractors to make sure everyone stays safe. Remember, safety is our top goal. Always follow the rules and tell the safety director if you have any concerns. Trenching and excavation. Trenching and excavation work is essential, but it can be dangerous if not done correctly. At Winsight Development, we have strict safety procedures to ensure the well-being of our employees, which must be followed at all times. For excavations deeper than 4 feet, we need to make sure we use protection like benching, shoring, or sloping. If it's 20 feet deep or more, a professional engineer must design the safety system. Different people have different jobs. The safety department focuses on policy rules and training. Field management provides support and equipment. Supervisors and foremen ensure daily site checks and competent person involvement, and employees must follow policy provisions and competent person's guidance. All employees who dig or enter excavations and the designated competent person must receive proper training. Health and safety training should be attended every 2 years or more frequently if needed. Before digging, call the utility companies and clear the area. You can't use benching in Type C soil. Skilled workers should check the site often to keep everyone safe. If there's an emergency, call 911 and tell the safety director. Additionally, make sure to use ladders or ramps to get in and out of trenches safely, and never work alone when in a trench. Keep heavy equipment away from the edge, and always be cautious of changing weather conditions that can affect trench stability. Working around heavy equipment. Working around heavy equipment is common on land site development projects. At Winsight Development, safety is our top priority, and we must make sure that all employees are very familiar with proper procedures when working around such machinery. First and foremost, all workers must be appropriately trained and certified to use the heavy equipment. This keeps both the operator and others around the equipment safe. Keep a safe distance from the equipment if you're not operating it. Be aware of blind spots and don't assume the operator sees you. Use hand signals or radios to communicate clearly and safely. Before using equipment, check all safety features like alarms, lights, and mirrors. Workers should wear bright clothes and hard hats to be seen more easily. Only use heavy equipment on stable, flat ground. Don't walk under lifted loads or machine parts. Use special walkways and barriers to keep people away from equipment traffic, which lowers the chance of accidents. In case of an emergency, all employees should know where emergency shutoff switches are and understand how to stop equipment safely. By following these safety practices, we can keep a secure work environment around heavy equipment and continue to complete successful landside development projects. Thank you for watching. Please consult the Safety and Health Program Manual for complete information.